हार भुगतनी पड़ी।
पहली बात राजदीप, ये इंटरव्यू है, इंट्रोगेशन नहीं है। पीछे बैठ के मेरे साथ बात करो।
चलिए मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ।
और इंटरव्यू है, इंटरव्यू में आवाज नहीं ऊपर होती।
चलिए। Which was easier to manage?
Let me complete. You don't have this habit. I am sorry to tell you and remind you, you are interviewing the former president.
Yes.
Please have the necessary courtesy.
Yes, sir.
Don't interrupt. I am sorry to
No,
tell
absolutely.
you. I am not eager to appear on the screen.
Sir. No,
You have invited me. Firstly, you cannot raise your voice.
My apologies.
I am answering to the question.
BJP appointee, so you've taken a different stand. Is this actually really a divide between right versus left, BJP versus left, on the ground on the Citizenship Amendment Act?
I find the language which you use is so problematic. I am appointed by a BJP government. I am appointed by the President of India. I am not appointed by any party government. And I take the oath. The problem with you is the language which you use, that language is causing polarization. That is creating hatred in the society. That is creating...
It's right versus left.
An atmosphere of violence in the society.
No, what is wrong in saying right versus left?
You also have seen much greater protests during the time of Mandal, during the time of Shahbano. Shahbano, the government succumbed to that pressure which came from the streets. And how dearly the country has paid for succumbing to that pressure. But we are not ready. You are not ready to learn your lesson, Mr. Rajdip Sardesai.
कौन से लोगों को मिलते हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम। आप तो स्टूडियो में दिन भर बैठे रहते हैं।
आपके
कौन से लोगों को मिलते हैं? हाँ, बाहर नहीं निकलते आप?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बम्बई में निकलता हूँ, मैं और शहरों में निकलता हूँ।
कौन से लोग?
नहीं, मैं आपके विरोधी ये कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे बोलते बहुत है, भोंकते बहुत है, लेकिन असलियत कुछ और है।
भोंकता हूँ?
आपके जो विरोधी तो कहते हैं कि राज ठाकरे हमें टारगेट करते हैं और मीडिया में बहुत प्रोफाइल है, लेकिन असलियत उनकी कुछ अलग है।
एक मिनट, भोंकता हूँ?
बीएमसी के जब चुनाव हुए 2 साल पहले, शिवसेना जीती, मन से नहीं जीती, क्यों?
एक मिनट, अभी तुम्हारा भोंकना बंद हो गया?
Says this is a straight propaganda film. I had your producer the other day on the show. He says it isn't. We haven't seen the film. However, it appears from the trailer promos that clearly you want to build Mr. Modi as a larger-than-life figure, and it is happening just before the elections. How else is the average person to see it but for the fact that you are doing this film to influence the elections?
So, Rajdeep, you have this show, which is hugely popular. Every time you put a view out there, a perspective on any decision, any political idea or thought, individual, are you influencing the election? Should you be banned for that? Should this show be shut down? During the entire period of election, should Rajdeep Sardesai, who is a huge opinion maker, an influencer, not be allowed to speak? I don't need to make him look like a larger-than-life figure. I don't need to make Narendra Modi look like a hero. He is a hero. He may not be a hero to you or to somebody else, but he's a hero to millions, billions of people out there. There are people who swear by the man. This is the first political leader that you've had in eons where people turn around and proudly thump their chests and call themselves bhakts, where the other side looks upon them in disdain. So he evokes that emotion.
Sure, he's a polarizing figure. Is
He
this a
evokes
film?
that emotion.
Is this a film of the Bhaks, for the Bhaks, by the Bhaks? Would it, for example, show what the critics of Mr. Modi say, that he didn't do enough, for example,
So to
in
answer that
2002?
question succinctly, it would be, it is a film about a patriot and for the patriot.
ये सरकार 5 साल चलेगी या नहीं, हाँ या ना?
ऐसी सरकार कभी 5 साल चली है? बताइए हाँ या ना?
The Prime Minister should personally call Sonia Gandhi. She is Queen Victoria of India. She's what is Antonio Mainio? The Queen Victoria of India,
He can call
number
every
one. And number
party,
two.
all the opposition leaders and sort this out.
Why should he call everyone individually? There was all party meeting. He should call Queen Victoria, then he should call that Clown Prince also once. He's the Prime Minister of India, sir. He's no news anchor.
Okay.
He's not a guest coordinator of a news channel to call everyone and say, "Aap aa jao, 6 baje aa jao, aaj debate karne ke liye." He's the Prime Minister of India.